In this video, let's see how to open Vajrax account, sign up plus KYC with the complete process. Many of you can think why Vajrax, why not other exchanges? Because Vajrax is one of the trusted and secured exchange in India. Recently, it tied a partnership with Kotak Mahindra Bank. Guys, it is not the paid promotion. If you don't have any Indian exchanges to trade crypto, then go for Vajrex. I have pinned the link in the description. You can click on the link and it will navigate to Chrome browser. Here you can click on the sign up now. Guys, this is my demo account. No need to worry. I'm going to deactivate once the process is completed. For signing up, firstly we need to give our email address and password. And again it will be asking for reconfirm the password. Please reconfirm it and click on I agree and click on sign up button. Now you will be getting a email for confirming your email address. Go to your Gmail and refresh. Click on the email, verify your email, then click on continue. Yeah, security we can set up in the app after we download. Now we can click on none, click on yes. Okay. For now, we'll skip the KYC process as well. Once we download the app, we can complete the KYC and give the security authentication to secure our account for the additional security. Now click on the top right corner, three lines you can see. Yeah, click on that and click on download apps. Click on Google Play or App Store, whatever the OS you are using. Yeah, after downloading, click on open. Once the app is open, click on the top left corner account button and login. Login using the Gmail which we have signed up just before. Enter your Gmail and password and click on login. Once you click on login, it will ask for captcha entry. Motorcycle. Click on this. Next, again it is asking. Click on motorcycle. Yeah, verify. Yeah, now we are successfully logged in. Now come out of the settings. Now you can see the list of coins which are listed in the Vajrax account. Go back to settings, click on register your phone, enter your phone number and click on send OTP. You will get an OTP, verify it, then go to verify account, complete KYC, check out fields properly, country India, type of KYC personal. We are not doing for any company, we are doing for ourselves. Enter the name as per the Aadhaar card, give the date of birth, enter the current address, state, city, pin code. Now enter your PAN card number, re-enter the PAN card number, take your PAN card and capture the photo of front side. Once it is done, Take the Aadhaar card, enter the Aadhaar card number, re-enter the Aadhaar card number. Now capture the front side of your Aadhaar card. The same way, capture the back side of your Aadhaar card and take the selfie and upload it. Once you have done with everything, check everything properly and submit for verification. Wait for some time to verify your account. It will take some time. Meanwhile, we can click on security and set up a password for your app and click on multi-factor authentication. This is for additional security. Recommended is authentication app, or you can use mobile SMS. Now I will log into my account. After verification done, here you can see verification account is gone. And go to payment options, give your bank account details. It will take some time to verify. Complete it. Now for signing up on KYC, entire process is done. Make out another video where I will be showing how to add money to your Vajrax account and how to buy a coin, sell and withdraw to your bank account. Guys, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe Crypto Tips channel.